Today I'm in Rugby at ROMI Machine Tools. Now today I'm going to be previewing their Blue Circle open house event on the 13th and 14th of November, and I'm going to talk to James as to why people should attend and some of the new technology that you're exhibiting. Now James, let's start with the D800. This is a relatively new machine tool to yourselves. Can you refresh our memories and tell us about the modifications and the new technological advancements on this particular model?
Yeah, so this new D line came out late last year to the market. Fantastic new machine. The new modifications for this machine, we have the new FANUC HMI controls, so new interface, easier to use for the customer. The machine, we have more travel on the X, on the Y and the Z, so for bigger parts. We have Z thermal compensation, so for more accuracy and precision. So yeah, it's gone down really well, and it's a nice strong machine. Also the weight behind it is 10 ton, so it's a robust machine. It can do a lot of machining in one time.
So it's safe to say that since this new product's been launched, it's been a real success for ROMI in the UK.
Yeah, exactly. As I said, it came late last year. We've had some great feedback from our customers, and then we're going to show it at the Blue Circle event on the 13th and 14th of November. And we're having our partners for this machine are Kenmetal, Blum and Shunk. So we're going to do a nice demonstration for our guests to see.
Brilliant. Well, looking forward to that, James. Now, and this is not the only product that you're going to be exhibiting. Whilst we were at EMO 2019, there was the launch of the GL300S. This is going to be making its UK debut. Tell us about this new product.
Yes, it's a brand new machine, brand new model for our turning centre. So it's the GL300S that's coming to the UK on the Blue Circle event. So we're doing a live demonstration with our technical partners. It went down extremely well at EMO, just gone, and we're hoping to do the same for our event.
Now this particular lathe, it's a twin spindle with Y-axis and milling capability. Can you give us whet our appetites a little bit and just kind of, don't give too much away, but just tell us a little bit technically about this particular new lathe from ROMI?
Yeah, so this new model that's coming for the event, as you said, it's a twin spindle. It's got milling capabilities. Again, FANUC HMI software, so brand new software for the user. A lot faster, a lot stronger. It's a beast.
James, thank you very much. So there's just a few reasons why you should attend. We've got automation cell, we've got many other partners. It's very educational, but the GL300S is one of the highlights, that will be one of the highlights of the show, be making its UK debut on the 13th and 14th of November, so don't miss it.